to teach you how to make my delicious light and fluffy olive focaccia. It's super simple. Let's get cooking. Okay, so our first step is to mix together our honey, our yeast, and a 1/4 cup of warm water together. And what this is going to do is going to activate the yeast. So just simply throw it in a bowl together and mix it up until it's combined. We're going to set that aside for about 15 minutes until it froths up and bubbles up. And then the next step is to combine everything into a bowl with sifted flour. So into the bowl we're going to go in with our yeast mix. We're going to add a little bit extra warm water. We're also going to add in there some olive oil and a good crack of salt. I'm going to bring that together with our hands until it resembles a dry dough. We're going to fold out our dough onto a floured surface, and we're going to start working that dough for about 5 to 6 minutes until it's elastic and ready to go. Alright, that's starting to look pretty good now. It's come together, it's really nice and smooth, and you can see that beautiful olive oil. Our next step is we're going to put this into a bowl with a little bit extra olive oil. I'm going to put a towel on top of it. I'll wrap it in cling film, and we're going to set it aside for about an hour and a half until that dough doubles in size. So once your dough has doubled in size, we're going to transfer it on to a baking tray, and we're going to stretch it and use our hands, kind of make it into a kind of funky shaped rectangle. And then we're going to put it aside for another half an hour and let it rise. Let that yeast really do its work so that when we bake that bread, it's light and fluffy. And the next step is to add a few herbs, a good sprinkle of salt, and a generous amount of pearl olives, because olives make everything better. So we're just going to push these in the gaps, hit it with a little bit more olive oil. And so that dough is going to go into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's golden, crusty, light and fluffy, and just looking all round amazing. Alright guys, that's how easy it is to make a gorgeous, delicious, light and fluffy focaccia, crunchy on the outside, filled with beautiful pearls olives. If you love this video and you love all of our other Bondi Harvest videos, I would love your support. All you need to do is click here and subscribe, and that way you never miss out on a video. Or if you really want to join the team, I would love for you to subscribe to our Patreon channel. A couple of bucks a month, so no more than a coffee, and you allow us and support us to create beautiful video content, amazing recipes, and awesome travel stories. Thanks for the support. Peace out. Stay healthy, stay safe, and we will see you next episode of Bondi Harvest.